how to invite players to your clan in Clash Royale. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, there are two ways to do it. First one is that simply click on the three lines at the top right hand side corner, and here you get this option of battle log. Simply select it, and here you get different players, and you can just simply select any particular player and click on this option of view profile. And here, if you are the co-leader or the person of authority in your clan, then you would be able to get the invite option right beside current streak, and you would be able to invite that player to your clan. The other way to invite people is by opening up your clan option, then select the logo of your clan, and here click on your clan's name, and here you get the option to invite people if you are the person of authority in your clan. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.